Yo, I don't know where the hell my phone is, but no, I want to start off the video how I always do. I want to start it off correctly. Yo, it is Wednesday, November 19th, 4:54 p.m. and today I did take a trade. Unfortunate occurrence today on the trade. Let me put this up a little bit cuz last time it was kind of low. And I'll get into that shortly. Going to leave you anticipating. But yeah, I mean, at least I clicked the button, eh? And this honestly, I clicked the button only on one account because this account was further from passing because I'm more stern on that account that's 650 away. But I clicked the button on a trade that I usually wouldn't, and it's not a bad trade, especially an eval. This is 100% an eval play, I feel. Let's get into it. So coming into the day, I did have a bearish bias to London low. As you can see, we had this 15-minute above. I wanted us to Judas into here, tag into it, and then shit the bed down. We were, where were we at open? This is open. We were about 70 points away from it, and then London high was all the way, PM high was the next draw because we had taken out everything else. And yeah, so what do? We shit the bed down. We we Judas swing, and then we start ripping up. Right when we tagged into this 15-minute gap right here, I did want to see us inverse this 2-minute, and I was ready. I had hope. As you can see, this candle had a really big wick on the 2-minute, so I was willing to take this trade right here. I was going to do this trade, call it a day, right at open, essentially, well, near open. But then we just, look at this, just a crazy-ass rip up. I actually want to show you something else. Why is this not showing the correct 1 minute? Oh, because I'm all the way back here. This is the rip up today where, like, there's literally, I think, hold on, we went, like, 12 minutes right here without a bearish candle. We went, like, 6 minutes right here without a bearish candle. So, just a straight fucking rip with no retracement. And then, obviously, you know, because we fucking ran through all of this, I'm going to be bullish, right? Even when we got around here, I became bullish. Once we inverted these couple 5 minutes back to the upside, once we inverted these, oh, just the one actually, I became bullish. I'm like, okay, cool. And then you see we had a lot. Oh, I'm sorry. Once we inverted this 5 minute to the upside, we had another 5 minute get respected. Around here is when I became bullish. I'm like, cool, I want to see a retracement. And I was just going to run it to those PM highs. But we just fucking sprinted all the way up and through. And then previous day high, which is this Asia high, was my next draw. As you can see, we finally rebalanced the leg. But this 1 minute displacing candle just completely fucking delivered us. Once we take this, I thought we were SMT'd, but not I thought, but like I was like hoping we were SMT. But as you can see right here, we took it to like damn near the tick. And that's why I only took this on one account. But this was the trade I took. It was a 2-minute inverse coming off of the sweep of previous day high with a big ass price leg that needed to be rebalanced, targeting these equal lows. Like long run would have been targeting these equal lows, but I was just targeting my profit exit on this account, which was, let's see, it was this account. About 980, right? So I had my stop right here, and then it was like 2.5, 2.7 got it done. I think it was 2.7 that got it done. So this was the target, and as you can see, it delivered, right? But okay, I get tagged in on this candle because it took 3 candles to inverse. I still was willing to take it. I like the displacing candle a lot. Boom, set a limit. I didn't want to see this low right here get taken before we tagged into it. And we like rushed up really fucking quick and tagged the limit. And then we just chop around. We were just stuck in accumulation. I'm like, damn, bro, I just got caught in accumulation. Once we started going down a little bit right here, I moved my stop to this high. And then once we ran this low, I went break even. And then the next candle breaks me even to only for about 8 ticks. Then fucking avalanche pours. So had I made this my break even, which is just really far, I feel. This is a protected low to begin with. And like all of these lows weren't really interesting. Even nothing on the 1 minute really caught my attention. It was mostly just this candle where I'm like, cool, we're going to be 20 points down. And then this candle tags me out for about like a little bit of points. And then we just fucking shit the bed down. So yeah, I got break even. That's why it was unfortunate, because this would have fucking smacked the account. This would have passed that account. I would have been like, oh. I would have been hyped as hell. I really would have been hyped. But let's look at the bright side, man. Okay, I didn't pass the account, but what did I do? I took a trade. I risked correctly. I risked 350. I should have been risking 4 on that account because I'm just trying to pass it. It was like, obviously my target being that far, I just want to pass it. But excuse me, yeah. I took a trade that I wasn't gonna usually take. And it's not a bad trade. See, something like this is something that I'd hesitate on before. This 100% is something I'd hesitate on before, and I shouldn't be. Especially being as though I want to pass more evaluations. These are evaluation trades. I don't feel this is a funded trade, to be honest. SMT, I'll take this on a funded. Just because that's a big-ass fucking price leg that needs to be rebalanced, and there's equal lows. I also took this trade because I didn't like any of the buy side anymore whatsoever. And the sell side was also ass, but there was just a lot of gaps. That was the main thing about sell side. There was plenty of gaps that needed to be inverse that I feel like I could have at least, and I did, get break even. And equal lows ultimately delivered. That was the final like remaining decent draw. And yeah, then later in the session, I wanted to run, where was it? I wanted to run this London low that we still hadn't ran, right? So I'm waiting for a retrace, and we got nothing. We got nothing. Let me double check that. Let me double check that we got nothing to when we ran. So it would have only been this gap getting filled, right? This would have been the only gap that got filled. Yeah, no inverse. Ah, we did, but I would have limit ordered this shit because we would have closed 20 points down. Yeah. Realistically, nothing for me. Unless we got like a 2-minute there. Is this possibly a 2-minute? Nah, definitely not. And I know for certain I'm not taking a 30-second out of this. Just me personally. Which, there wasn't even one. So, yeah, nothing to those London lows. Once we ran those London lows, I did get off of the charts. Called it a day there. Unfortunate L. But guess what? I'm not sitting here. I'm not beating myself in about it. I'm not pissed about it. It's a part of the game. I'm going to have plenty of more trades that happen like this. It wasn't a bad trade. It was a good read on price. My read on price was correct. It was just an unfortunate chain of events that occurred to lead me to get break even. And then watch price completely fucking shit the bed down to my TP. It fucking sucks to see. 100% fucking sucks to see. But guess what? It's a part of the fucking game. I did what I said I needed to do. I just need to start entering, correct? That's what I said what the fuck I need to do. And that's what I fucking did today. And the shit about it is this can't just be a one-day occurrence because that's not true improvement. Improvement needs to happen time and time again and show for time and time again. This is a part of discipline, and discipline is doing something time and time again. The correct thing time and time again. If I just do it once, that's not discipline. That's not me correcting my issue. Okay, I seen myself do it, right? On a trade that I usually wouldn't take. That's why I'm talking about this and connecting it to discipline. If this was just a normal trade, I wouldn't have given a fuck talking about discipline. But this isn't a trade that I'd usually find myself taking. But it's a trade I need to be taking. Now, I need to continue this. That's what I need to fucking do. And I said yesterday, I needed to fucking do it. And I fucking did it today. And I don't give a fuck how I fucking did it today. Because I need to fucking do it a fucking again. Sorry for all the fuckings. But yeah, I need to do it again. Because that's what true discipline is. It's not just doing the thing once. It's doing it consistently, correctly, over and over and over and over again. Okay, I did it once. That doesn't mean shit until I'm able to consistently... Oh, my fucking speaker's about to fall. Until I'm able to consistently do it time in and time out. So that's what I need to continue to react upon. Because we still have... Let me check. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days. Have about 5 trading days to pass these accounts. Can I do it? 110%. Will I do it? 150 fucking percent I will. And that's just me speaking it to an existence. We have good news tomorrow. We have good news Friday. No news Monday. Good news on Tuesday. Good news on Wednesday. I just need to do it. I will do it. Watching this in the future, I did do it. Before Black Friday, just so I could buy some more accounts, you know? So yeah, that's about all that I do have for today. I got class later. I still need to eat. I'm sweaty as fuck from the gym. I need a shower. So yeah, I did it today, but let's actually show true built discipline. Let's not be excited because I did it one day, correct? That's not what I'm here for. That is not at all what I am here for. Why is this drawdown so low compared to this one? Why can I go to 50,000 on this one, but only... 51. And that account's been higher. I wonder how that works. Okay, my bad. I distracted. But yeah, gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys stay blessed, stay peaceful, stay happy. Yeah, take care, everybody.